Good morning, everybody. Do you need a wake up? Do you need a short, quick wake up to feel good? This is it. So stick with me and join me on your mat or on your bed or anywhere, on your office chair for just a short pick-me-up. Today we're gonna rub our hands together. We're gonna think of an intention today. My favorite is ease and flow. We're gonna giggle that ease and flow into our hands. And we're just gonna wake up today. Wake up our bodies. Wake up our skin, wake up our blood vessels, wake up, wake up. We're gonna take the backs of our hands and we're gonna open the gate of life. And what that means tapping along gently with the backs of our hands. We're opening the gate of life. And you can hear it. You can add humming if you want some extra endorphins. Now, rub your hands together, clap your hands together. We're opening those chakras in our hands because we're going to use them. Because the energy in our hands, if you've heard of hands-on healing, it's using the energy in our hands to do good for us. We're going to put those hands over our eyes, and you can feel the warmth. And just feel the warmth. Now there's a cycle, a circular space for the energy to go so that we build as we share and move. Deep breath in, exhale, inhale. So let's roll our neck just to loosen up. I'm going to inhale in the back, exhale in the front. And switch direction. Your eyes are pointed at your third eye while your eyelids are gently closed. And we're just rolling gently, and whatever your limitations are in your neck, you know them. So I don't. So it's important that you know the limitations of your body. And take a deep breath. You know, some parts of our day are affected by the fact that we don't drink enough water and we don't breathe deeply enough. So when we think about it, it's really good. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a minute. Pull in your belly, pull in, get taller, pull the rib cage off your hip bones, and exhale. And even sitting in your office chair, hands in receptive mode, means we are receptive to our intuition. We are receptive to our environment. We are receptive to receiving abundance, receiving love, receiving intuition, receiving all the good stuff. So we just hold that receptive position. Breathing. So first thing in the morning, we might have been breathing shallow during our sleep. And so that morning wake up includes many deep breaths and exhaling all that doesn't serve us in the moment. Inhaling love. Exhaling that which doesn't serve us, which we request that the universe take it and recycle it as love. So then we inhale the love. Exhale, give to the universe. So this is just a really quick warm-up for the first thing in the morning, or if you just got to the office and you need a minute to ground. Do you know how to ground? Because that's really important too. So we'll take a deep breath and we'll exhale and send those roots into the earth. Visualize that your knees, your tush, your feet have roots that dig deep into the earth. So every breath you take in, love. Every exhale, digging deeper into the earth. Inhale, love. Exhale, and imagine there's this big sort of opening, hole underneath you. You're not falling in it, but all the gunk, all the not needed, all the not wanted stuff just gets dropped into this hole in the earth, and the earth takes it for you. And so that as much as we humans can carry the burden for each other and help each other and carry the difficulty and kind of take some of it off of our shoulders, so too can the earth take that difficulty off of us so that the earth can handle it. And in Native American cultures, in the Native American cultures, from what I understand, the earth is part of us. In unity consciousness, we are everything. And we want to keep that, because when we have unity consciousness, the plants, the rocks, the earth itself, we're all connected. All of our relations, all the people that came before us. And I know I'm talking more than doing, but these are theories that keep me happy every day. That when I think about the fact that I'm doing the work for the generations that came before me and the 7 generations ahead of me, I mean, I don't have children, but what if I can do the energetic work of all 7 generations before and after, allowing for my nieces and my nephews to live in a better place? I would love that. And that what is a better place? Well, what do they want to be a better place? All of this is important. And so while we sit in our hearts, full of love, inhaling love, exhaling all the conflict, because we feel the conflict. We feel all the conflicts in the world. We release. Thanks, have a good morning. I'll see you next time.